I'm about 25 years in the industry, and since the attachment arrived, I'm doing about 60 hours a week. Hi, my name is Gerard O'Sullivan. My experience with their sales department and support is very good. Very quick turnaround and response, any problems, any issues, very good. I was dealing with Jeff from Aussie Buckets. Email him, get back to me straight away. Any questions, very good. Can't fault the man, he's very good in what he does. Attachment specialists in Aussie Buckets are very helpful. Any questions I had with parts or questions I had with the pulveriser, they were able to answer everything. I have other attachments that if I have issues with the attachment, it takes a longer time to get back to me, and at least with Aussie Buckets, I didn't have this issue. The problem was solved in half an hour. I had a few other pulverisers like Aussie, and they just kept cracking, and I just need something a bit stronger, and just got sick of repairs all the time. So with this, it's better built, and it does the job I want to do. The MBI Pulveriser has helped a lot in this industry. The structure of it, as you can see, it's well built. They have changeable, not much downtime, very easy to change parts. At least you can keep the pulveriser going every day and keep the customer happy. If a friend or colleague asks me about an MBI, about purchasing one, I tell them go for it. To my experience, they're above the rest of the pulveriser I use in my time. You can't fault them. The only thing I'd change in the pulveriser, I'd have bought one sooner. It's 100%. Everything is changeable, less downtime, good power. You can't go wrong with an MBI and Aussie Buckets.